You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. We are here with another video, and this one started off a little bit differently. Now, when I started this shoot, I was hoping that the sun would come out, but here we are here in November, and it's starting to get cold. It was cloudy, it was overcast, so I had to work with what I had. So my initial thought was to use the Nikon Z8, and then I had a Viltrox 50mm lens, and I always record my BTS with my Sony A7SIII. But if you know, Viltrox just dropped one of the best alternative 135s, and it is amazing. And so what I wanted to know was, I'm using 45 megapixels on the Nikon, and then I use the Sony A9 III, which is around 20 something megapixels. Now when you come down to this Sony A7S III, it is 12 megapixels. So I was curious. 24 did me well with the Sony A9 III, 20 something. And I want to know, can I get away with 12 megapixels? So what I did was, halfway through the shoot, I stopped using the Nikon Z8 and I made that the video camera. And then I switched to my good old Sony A7S III, and I put on the Viltrox 135. And so simply here, I want you to check out this behind the scenes, check out some of these shots, and I want you to let me know, does these 12 megapixels work for this shoot? That's it. That's all, because we get caught up in the megapixel count, but this 135 is something special. And me personally, I think it checks all the boxes, and I don't think anybody will probably know. So check out the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. T to the M to the IDD. Peace. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. We are out here on this gloomy day. All right. I was hoping that the sun was gonna come out, but it did not want to cooperate. But we still gonna make it work. Now we got a one light setup. We're gonna kind of use this area. And who do I have with me?
It's Nia.
Okay, and where can we find you at?
You can find me on Instagram at Nia, NIAA .Monica, MONICA.
Okay, I'll put that in the bottom left-hand corner. We're gonna try to get these shots and keep it pushing. All right, you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Perfect. Come right here. Perfect. 1, 2. And then put your chin up and look kind of off right here.
We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. I am out here and I want to know, can we make 12 megapixels look good? Okay, so I have this shoot. I'm using my Sony A7S III for this shoot with the Viltrox 135. I want to know, after you all see these images, let me know in the comments below, do you think that this 12 megapixel sensor can get the job done? Do you like these photos? Are they good enough? All right, check out these shots. All right, so I'm gonna do a test shot right here. All right, so we got the 135, and let me change my color temperature to about 64. All right, here we go. 1, 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna get a full body like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Let me go to and drop this just a little bit more. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Now let me get that kind of straight on shot again.
Like this?
With you looking straight directly at me. Yeah. Boom. Yeah, that right there. That's it right there. 1, 2, 3. And hold that right there. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna get one more. Look off kind of that way. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. That 1, 2. And 1, 2. That's perfect. Perfect. Give me that one with your back against it again. So yeah, turn around and then kind of like sit down a little bit. Yeah, that's it right there. 1, 2. All right.
Is it still with?
Yeah, it just bunched up. Yeah. All right. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good right there. All right. You probably can take like one step forward. Yeah, like right there. Boom. All right. Now, can you do this? Yeah. All right. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Boom. And just move around with that. And I'ma kinda snap. Boom. Oh yeah, that's fire right there. Oh, I love that. I love that. You can sit right there. Hold that. That's fine. Yep. Boom. Perfect. I love it. Love it. That's fire.